Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to look at quadratic formula and everything you need to know under 2 million. So first of all, a quadratic form is like this: ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. So now if you are to solve an equation like this, 2x squared plus 3x minus 14, which is equal to 0. So the first thing you need to know is you need to know your formula. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything over 2a. So the next thing you do is that you are going to have that, so you need to identify in this equation here, so your a, your b. So now you notice, if you compare the original equation with the one we have to solve, you discover that your a is equal to 2, then your b is equal to 3, and your c is equal to minus 14. So a is always the coefficient of x squared, b is always the coefficient of x, and c is what is the constant. So you come here and put in your formula. So they are going to have x is equal to minus, what's your b? Your b is 3, then plus or minus, what is your b? Your b is 3 squared minus 4 into, what's your a? Your a is 2, and what's your c? Your c is minus 14. So everything over what? 2 multiplied by, what's your a? Your a is 2. So your x will now be equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of, what do we have here? We are going to have 9, then plus, because of this minus here, so because this minus here, so 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 14 will give you 112, then everything over 4. So your x will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus, now when you add this together, you're going to have 121 over 4. So plus or minus square root of 121 over 4, then your x will be equal to minus 3 plus or minus, what's the square root of 121? That's 11 over 4. Your x is equal to minus 3 plus 11 over 4, or x is equal to minus 3 minus 11 over 4. So your x is equal to over 4, or x is equal to this, and this will give you what? Minus 14 over 4. So your x will be equal to, this divided by this will give you 2, or your x will be what? Minus 2 here 7, 2 here 2. So that is that.